Shape memory polymers, these are actually a type of actuators. Now here in such type of polymers, these use the smart materials which can change their shape when an external stimulus is applied, and again they will go to their original shape once the stimulus is removed or changed. That is, they will return to their original shape. Now you can think these of like the artificial muscles which will expand, bend or contract whenever stimulated. Now how do these shape memory polymers work? Whenever like energy such as heat, light or pH change, magnetic field or frequency, these are applied, then at that time the polymer will change its shape, and when the stimulus is removed or altered, the material goes back to its original shape. So example for this is you can think it of a memory foam pillow, where it will change the shape under pressure and then it will return back. Now the key features of these shape memory polymers are high strain recovery, that is they can return to the original shape easily, and lightweight and low density, and these are biocompatible, that is these are very safe for the medical use, and these are biodegradable, that is these are environmentally friendly, and also these work similar to the human muscles. Okay, so these are the key features. Now here you have a special type of the shape memory polymers which are called as a light activated polymers, that is a LAP, where it will respond to light as a stimulus, and the movement can be controlled remotely using the light intensity or the frequency, and these are very having very fast response time, and the main important thing is here no physical contact is required here in this type of shape memory polymers, that is a light activated polymers. Now the interesting thing here is that one light frequency changes the shape, and a different light frequency brings it back to the original shape. That is, we are giving a light with one frequency, suppose one frequency, and whenever we want to bring it back into the original shape, again we'll use a light of different frequency to bring it to the original shape. Some examples are, or some applications are, soft robotics, you have artificial muscles, then medical implants and devices, smart textiles, remote controlled micro devices. These all are the applications which we use in our daily life. That is, these are the real life examples. So this is about the shape memory polymers, where these are the smart materials which can change their shape when an external stimulus is applied and then return to their original shape when the stimulus is removed or changed.